Greetings from the Netherlands. We're sailing aboard the Panache barge with European Waterways, a luxury vessel. We'll be sailing from Delft all the way up to Amsterdam. I can't wait to take you on a little tour of our barge and what we'll be calling home for the next 6 nights. Starting in Delft, the first stop on our barge cruise was the Royal Delft Factory and Museum. We learned about the history of Delft blue pottery that goes back to 1653. There are many beautiful pieces on display in the museum, including the Royal Collection. Our tour also included a trip to the factory and the museum shop featuring Delft blue handmade products. After sailing for a couple of hours on our barge, we finally arrived in Leiden, the very first stop on our cruise after Delft. This is a university town that's just bustling with energy, people riding bikes and walking around everywhere. We just walked through the main gate and we're going to walk into the town right now. I'm sure Amsterdam comes to mind when thinking about a Dutch city with canals, but Leiden has the second most amount of canals in the Netherlands. There are 28 kilometers of canals and waterways that date back to the 17th century, as well as 88 bridges. We took a boat cruise to discover Leiden's canals from the water. Many of the bridges are quite low and the boats are designed with this in mind. The captain lowers the roof when approaching low bridges, which also means that we have to duck down too. We're visiting Keukenhof Gardens, the most famous garden in the Netherlands. Over 2 million visitors flock here every single year, and it's only open for 7 weeks at a time. People come here to see the most famous flower, the tulip, which is what we're going to go and check out right now. Not only are there many beautiful outdoor gardens, but there's also indoor pavilions like this one where you'll see all kinds of different tulips indoors as well as beautiful works of art. So this place is wild. Flowers are bought and sold here 24/7. There's constant flow of activity and just tons of different flowers to see. It's quite a spectacle. You'll have to come here and experience it for yourself. Around 17 million cut flowers are sold daily at the Aalsmeer flower auction. Next, we're off to another Dutch city that features St. Bavo's Cathedral in the main square, where both Handel and Mozart played its magnificent organ that you can still hear today. Today I'm spending some time in Haarlem, which is one of the very oldest cities in the Netherlands. There's a lot of old world charm here, but also combines with the new with modern and vibrant art scene. today in Alkmaar. And this is a town very famous for its cheese with the Dutch Cheese Museum, but there's so much more to explore here in this adorable historic town than the cheese. Let's go take a look. Alkmaar is another beautiful city of canals with a historic city center. There are many traditional courtyards, amazing architecture and traditional facades, as well as numerous streets to explore. We took a tour of the old town that was included with our European Waterways sailing and heard many stories about the local history. There's also plenty of opportunities for shopping too. From Alkmaar, it's off to the final stop of our barge cruise, a place that's renowned for its wooden windmills and houses built in a traditional Dutch style. We're here today at Zaanse Schans, a unique 17th, 18th, and 19th century heritage village where you can come and see all of the different windmills, and a lot of them are still working today. It's incredibly windy here though, so hang on to your hat.